Working with worksheet.
When you add a number of worksheets, you can switch between them using Ctrl plus page up and Ctrl plus page down keys. You can also rename, add, and remove the worksheets in a workbook.
Renaming a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab you want to rename. A pop-up menu will appear. A pop-up menu will open. Step 2. Select the Rename option. Write a new name for the sheet and press Enter. Or Step 1. Double-click on the Sheet tab you want to rename. It will be highlighted. Step 2. Type a new name and press Enter key. Your worksheet will be renamed. Adding a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab. A pop-up menu appears. Step 2. Select the Insert option. An Insert dialog box will open with Worksheet option selected. Step 3. Click OK button or click on the new sheet icon present next to the Sheet tab. Removing a worksheet. To remove a worksheet, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab. A pop-up menu appears. Step 2. Select Delete option or Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Delete in Cells group. Step 3. Select Delete Sheet.